In this video we will teach you how to make sports videos in Filmora. Like this. Hey everyone! Welcome to Wondershare Filmstock YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon to get updates. So let's get started. First, open any browser of your choice. I open Google Chrome. I search here filmstock.wondershare.com. After searching it, log in with your account. Now we have to download 3 effects packs from this website. Search for the first effect pack in the search bar of the website. This effect is called Sports Pack. Click here on this Sports Pack. Inside this pack you will find 18 titles, 13 elements and 2 effects. This effect pack is suitable with Filmora 9.6 and above versions. Download this effect. Another effect is to search Track and Field Sports Pack. Click here for this effect. Inside this effects pack you will find 7 titles and 17 elements. This effect pack is suitable with Filmora 9.6 and above versions. Download this effect. The third effect pack we have to search for is the Elemental Fire pack. Click on this effect here. You will find 17 elements inside this effect. Download this effect pack. After downloading these 3 effects, open your Filmora software. I click on Media. And I import some videos, flags of any 2 countries and sound effects from my computer. Now I am making a football video for example. I'll make an intro. For this go to Titles and click on it. Folders, scroll down the tabs here and click on the Filmstock tab below. In it click on Sports Pack. This is the Sports Pack which we downloaded from Filmstock website. I drag and drop Sports Pack Opener 01 onto the timeline. Double click on it to edit it. I write here World Cup, and reduce its size. And below I write 2022. The second pack I drag and drop is called Sports Pack Title 06. I move this title 2 tracks up. I go to the media. From here I adjust these 2 flags below this title pack. Put the flag below the title pack. Select the flag and adjust it to the blank area inside the pack. I have these flags in GIF format. After adjusting the 2 flags, write the name of the country below the flag. Copy the flags to increase its durations. And paste it in the same track. Keep the end of flags and title packs the same. In the same way you can drag and drop other title packs to edit them to your liking. Like I write stadium name here. I added the below video as a background. Now we add some icons effect to the video, so that people can quickly notice the important parts in the video. For this, drag and drop the video on the timeline. Go to Elements and click on it. Click on Filmstock tab here. Within that, click on Track and Field Pack. That pack is what we downloaded from the Filmstock website. From here I drag and drop this arrow into the track above the timeline. Double-click on the arrow and adjust the size, position and rotation of the arrow in the Transform tab. Apply it where you need it in the video. You can change the speed of this icon. For this, drag with Ctrl left click of the mouse. In the same way I adjust the second icon by dragging and dropping it. This arrow I drag and drop. After adjusting the scale, position, rotation, etc. of this arrow, I motion track it with one of the players in the video. For this, split the video below into the start of the arrow above. And select the video under the arrow and click on the motion tracking tool. Adjust the motion tracking mark on the display screen. Zoom the display screen so that you can place the motion track mark in the right place. And then, click the Start Tracking button. So you can see we have that player being tracked in the video. Next, select the arrow labeled Track and Field Sports in the box below the tracking button. So you can see we motion track this arrow with the player, which will increase the interests and passion of the viewers even more. Now we add Fire VFX to the ball during the kick. For this, click on the Elemental Fire Pack tab inside the Filmstock tab. These are the same Elemental Fire VFX that we downloaded from Filmstock websites. Here you will find lots of Fire VFX. From here I drag and drop Elemental Fire 01 Fireball into the top track. Double-click on the fire element, go to the Animation tab and click on it. And then click on Customize section. Add the first keyframe here. Reduce the scale of the fire element in the first keyframe according to your video. We need to move the fire element along with the ball through the keyframe. Zoom the display screen. And move the fire element along the ball in the same manner. And so you drag and drop your favorite fire element on the timeline. And apply it in your video. Now we have to select the intro section. Remember to have your Ripple Delete Auto button on. After selecting the intro, delete it. So you'll be left with just this part. Now we have to export this part. After exporting, go to Media and click on it. Now in Media we have to import the exported video. But before that we have to click on the Undo button here. So you can see that after undo, we have that clip back on the timeline which we deleted before exporting. Now click on Import Media, import the exported video from here. Drag and drop the video to the end of the timeline. I want only this part of this video. Now I apply the Magnify effect to it. For this, go to the Effects tab and click on it. Search Magnify here. Drag and drop the effect over the video in the track above the timeline. Now we need to further adjust this Magnify effect. Double-click on the Magnify effect. From here you can make it more impressive by adjusting the radius, zoom rate, center X, center Y, border color, thickness and alpha of the Magnify effect. Now enter personal information of contestants, game status, game scores and more to make your video look professional. For this, first add a video as background to the track below. Then go to titles and click on it. From here, drag a pack of your choice onto the timeline. Keep the length of both video and pack title equal. Double-click the pack title on the timeline and edit it. You can edit it in this way. After doing this, now we add the transitions. Go to Transitions and click on it. These are the same transitions we downloaded from Filmstock to the Sports Pack. You can drag and drop them between any two clips or title on the timeline. After adding the transitions, we now add the sound effects. For this, go to Media and click on it. I have about 4 sound effects in the media. You will find the link of this free sound effects in the description. You can also use it in the background of the transition in the video. You can add these sound effects to the video during the kick of the ball or during the noise and clapping of the spectators to make the sports video even more fun. Hope this video helps you a lot in making your sports videos. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then give this video a thumbs up, plus subscribe to this channel and also hit the bell icon. But don't leave without sharing this video and leave your comment below. Bye.